Do you need to lift weights to build bigger muscle? Now, when I first started working out, I could only do bodyweight exercises. I wanted to put on some serious muscle and get stronger, but I only got some minimal results that soon began to taper off. Really unimpressive. Training body weight was not really something that was going to build more muscle for me. Or was it? Well, fast forward to 2020 and the gyms are shut down. I first took some time off gym thinking this would just be a short week or two missing gym, right? Weeks eventually became months, and I started looking in the mirror and seeing my body regress. It's not a nice feeling. I so badly wanted to work out, get in shape, and also get some mental sanity back too. I realized that I can either keep making excuses or I can do something to get me closer to my goal. So if I couldn't go to a gym and I couldn't afford to buy the equipment that I needed another way to start getting in shape and putting on some muscle. Now, my first thought was to build some weights of some kind using household items. I used I used water-filled milk gallon bottles, plastics, and some leftover PVC pipes. I was getting to its watery end quite quickly as it kept breaking and I needed more resistance. That was it. Resistance. That's why I was not successful in the past when it came to bodyweight training. I needed to learn how to add resistance in and be creative enough about it so that I could hit all my muscles and be able to increase my resistance over time. You see, this was the thing that was stopping me before. But how? How do I incrementally add resistance without going to the gym or buying equipment? Now, here are three things that help me work out from home but still add muscle. One, and this is the biggest one, and this is learning how to progress with each and every exercise and body part. Now, I want to say that I knew about this concept but did not appreciate it until I fully understood its capabilities. I knew this for a push up as an example. If you can't do a push up with good form, then do it on your knees and then on your feet, but in an inclined position, like on a wall or something, and then slowly working your way down to the ground to do a normal push up. Now, from this point, I did not know how to progress further until I became familiar with variations like archer push ups and eventually single arm push ups. Now, this holds true for basically any body weight exercise. Just look up how to progress with X exercise, and this will give you a good starting point. Now, that being said, body weight does still lack the possibilities compared to going to the gym, in my opinion at least. So the second thing that helped me work out from home and put on muscle was getting some resistance bands. I first wasted money on those cheap ones with the handles and very little resistance. They only work to a point, and the handles then start to break. I found the thicker single ones work better, but these can be pricey, so that's why the next one had to be free. I grabbed an old backpack and took a few plastic bags and portioned 1 and 2 kg sandbags. Now, this could easily be 2.5 and 5 pound bags too, it really doesn't matter. But this gave me a weighted vest and a way to add weight to almost any exercise for free. But Alray, where's the sand? Well, to that I say, be resourceful. Dig a hole if you have to. I mean, unless it's winter and the ground and the ground is frozen, then you're screwed. But I mean, regardless, if you are not able to get to a gym and you just want to be able to grow muscle from your home, then give those 3 things a try. I know it did not only prevent more muscle breakdown from just not working out at all, but I actually built muscle at home. Now, if you want tips and shared experiences to help make your journey a little easier, then maybe consider giving this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap that notification bell right next to it so that you don't miss another video because I post daily. I'll see you tomorrow.